Hi, it's Krzysztof from RHINO Tutorials. In this video I'm going to tell you a little bit about the STL file, which are the best formats for 3D printers. So before we start, you have to know the most important thing about STL file: the quality. Everything actually depends on the right settings, especially your 3D printed surface quality. Let's create new file, and then I will try to explain you what it's all about on the sphere. Sphere is the best example to explain all of those surface problems, because sphere is a round surface, perfect for that purposes. So let's create that. The size isn't important right now, and that's how the sphere looks in a NURBS technology, which is a surface mathematically composed, and we are going to have something different. So let me first export in a low quality of STL file. So let's select your object and then export selected, and I'm going to make as a test. And after you save all your file, there's a small window popped up with quality question. So first we'll export that with the lowest quality, which is 0.1. Okay, then we'll do it again with a little bit better quality, like 0.01. Okay, and then we'll do it again with the highest quality, with the 0.001. Okay, so now we're going to import these files into our RHINO. So this is the lowest quality. And now we're going to import the mid quality. So this is the middle quality, and then we're going to import the highest quality. So as you see, it is a different, and especially for the printer and for the quality of the prints. So as you can see, as you can look at if you look at the surface, there are small triangles. Yeah, that's what is all STL file about. It's actually a composition of the best form of triangles according to your shapes. Okay, I told you about the exporting STL file and its importance according quality of print, but now I have to tell you about the precision of unit you choose at the beginning of your design. So look, every time you are creating new file, the RHINO is asking you about the quality format units you're gonna work with. So bigger units you work, lower quality of your design. So if you are in millimeters, as we are right now in our project, then export it's much different. So look, this sphere we've created is about 44 millimeters, 45 millimeters. Yeah. So the STL mesh looks like this, the lower quality. Yeah. So if we copy that sphere and make it bigger, like so, the quality of the prints, if you export it with the same option, will be much different, will be much lower. So I will show you this example right now. So let's export that sphere. Export selected in STL file, test 3 desktop, and now we're gonna import that. Millimeters, STL model units millimeters, you can change it here, as you can see. So we are okay with the millimeters because we work with millimeters. So look now. Yes, this quality at this size, it's much different than that size. Of course, this is much bigger object. So I'll tell you how much of size we have right now. Let's say it's about 35 centimeters. This is about 4 centimeters, 45 millimeters. Yeah, it is 4.5 centimeters. So you have to make sure if you are with right units and your size allows you to export with the quality 0.01. So you have to play a little bit with it. It depends printer quality, printer bed size, and actually surface quality you're exporting. So this is it for that tutorial. Give it a thumb up if you like it, and thanks very much. Good luck.